In Korea, Haejangguk isn't just food, it's a cultural remedy. After a night of drinking soju or beer, locals flock to small eateries for these restorative soups. Rich broths, tender meats, and hearty ingredients work together to combat hangovers while providing comfort. This tradition dates back centuries, blending culinary wisdom with social bonding. For foreigners, understanding Haejangguk is key to experiencing Korea like a local. The magic lies in three elements: slow-simmered bone broth packed with collagen, easily digestible carbs like rice or noodles, and protein-rich toppings. Authentic Haejangguk uses time-tested recipes. Some broths boil for over 12 hours. Ginger, garlic add digestive benefits, while chili peppers boost circulation. Unlike Western hangover foods, these soups hydrate while replenishing nutrients lost to alcohol. Gukbap, meaning soup rice, is the gateway Haejangguk. Its clear beef broth poured over steamed rice offers gentle nourishment. Originating from Busan's port workers, it's quick to serve but deeply comforting. The secret? A dash of fermented shrimp sauce adds umami depth, perfect for mild hangovers or first-timers. Its simplicity highlights quality ingredients without overwhelming flavors. Seolleongtang's white, creamy broth comes from 8+ hours of boiling ox bones and brisket. This Joseon-era royal dish delivers collagen and minerals that soothe stomachs. Served with thin noodles and scallions, its mild taste suits sensitive mornings. Pro tip, add salt and pepper to taste and pair with crunchy kimchi for texture contrast. Ideal when you need recovery without heavy spices. Sundaeguk packs bold flavors with sliced blood sausage, sundae, made from pork, glass noodles, and offal, in a pork bone broth. The sausage's unique texture and the broth's richness make it a favorite among locals. Garlic and chili flakes cut through the heaviness. This is the go-to for severe hangovers. Its high protein and fat content help metabolize alcohol faster. Hailing from Busan, Dwaejigukbap features pork bone broth simmered with spicy gochugaru, chili powder, and tender pork slices. The heat stimulates circulation, while garlic and bean paste aid detoxification. Served with fermented kimchi, it's the nuclear option for brutal hangovers. Warning, the spice level isn't for beginners, but regulars swear by its restorative powers. These soups reflect Korea's history. Seolleongtang was royal cuisine, while Gukbap fed laborers. Sundaeguk originated from nose-to-tail eating traditions, and Dwaejigukbap emerged in Busan's working-class ports. During Joseon Dynasty, doctors prescribed similar soups for ailments. Today, they're woven into modern life. From corporate workers to university students, everyone has their favorite. For mild hangovers, opt for gentle Gukbap or Seolleongtang. Heavy drinking? Protein-rich Sundaeguk or spicy Dwaejigukbap will reboot your system. Vegetarians can request kimchi-based options. Most shops open early, 5 to 7 a.m., when Koreans need them most. Remember, these are meals, not appetizers. Come hungry. Locals often enjoy them with a raw egg stirred in for extra richness. The soups work through multiple mechanisms. Bone broth replenishes electrolytes like potassium and sodium. Capsaicin in spicy versions increases endorphins. Gelatin soothes stomach linings, while garlic's allicin helps liver detox. Compared to greasy Western breakfasts, these soups provide hydration and nutrients without overloading your system. The perfect alcohol recovery food. Start with Gukbap to acclimate your palate, then explore bolder options. Don't hesitate to customize. Extra kimchi, rice, or spice adjustments are expected. Most importantly, embrace the communal spirit. These soups taste best shared with friends, just like last night's drinks. Whether it's 5 a.m. or 3 p.m., a bowl of Haejangguk offers warmth, healing, and a true taste of Korean resilience.